Many of you watching this have dedicated countless hours to mastering Python. It's a language celebrated for its elegance, readability, and incredible versatility. You've likely navigated its extensive ecosystem, leveraging powerful libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data manipulation, and perhaps even TensorFlow or PyTorch to build sophisticated machine learning models that predict, classify, and generate. With this powerful tool, you build robust applications, architect complex data pipelines, and extract meaningful insights from vast data sets. You've turned abstract problems into concrete, functional code, delivering real-world value. That proficiency brings a well-earned sense of confidence. You know how to solve problems, and you know how to deliver results using the tools of classical computing. You are, without a doubt, a skilled and capable developer or data scientist. But alongside that confidence, a different feeling might be starting to emerge. A sense of hitting a ceiling, a professional plateau. The challenges, while still engaging, may start to feel familiar, like variations on a theme you've already mastered. You might find yourself wondering, what's the next frontier? What is the next great challenge that will push my skills and redefine what's possible? You're looking for a new mountain to climb. As you look toward the horizon of technology, you see the unmistakable glow of quantum computing. It's a field that appears in headlines with promises of world-changing breakthroughs, yet it can often feel distant, abstract, and perhaps even intimidating. You hear terms like superposition and entanglement, and wonder how your practical, grounded Python skills could possibly connect to such a seemingly esoteric domain. It feels like a discipline reserved for theoretical physicists in a lab, not for practical coders like you. How do you bridge that gap? Let's be clear. The field of quantum computing represents a monumental paradigm shift, a fundamental change in how we process information. It's not just a faster version of the computers we have today. It's not about more gigahertz or more terabytes. It's an entirely new model of computation, one that harnesses the strange and wonderful laws of quantum mechanics to operate on information in a profoundly different way. This new model promises to solve certain classes of problems that are currently intractable, problems that would take the most powerful supercomputers on Earth billions of years to crack. Think of discovering new materials and medicines by simulating molecules with perfect accuracy, or optimizing global logistics on a scale we can't even imagine. This is the power that quantum computing is beginning to unlock, and it will redefine entire industries. This is why we've created this guide. It is designed to be your clear, step-by-step roadmap, demystifying the journey and showing you exactly how to get from where you are to where you want to be. We're here to translate the abstract into the actionable. We will chart a direct course from your existing Python expertise into the exciting and rapidly growing world of quantum computing. We'll show you how the very logic and structure you use to write Python code, defining functions, managing state, and composing operations, can be applied to designing and running quantum algorithms. Crucially, this journey is not about abandoning what you know. It is about building upon it. Your Python skills are not just relevant, they are the perfect foundation for this transition. The quantum computing ecosystem is being built with Python at its core. Major quantum software development kits, or SDKs, from companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft all use Python as their primary interface. This was a deliberate choice by the industry to make this powerful technology accessible to the world's largest community of developers, the Python community. Your ability to write clean, modular code, manage dependencies, and work with APIs is directly transferable. You already have the scaffolding. Now it's just a matter of learning what to build with it. The path we will outline is incremental and manageable. We won't throw you into the deep end of quantum physics. Instead, we'll start with the essentials of linear algebra you need, using familiar libraries like NumPy to make it intuitive. Then, we'll introduce the core concepts of quantum computing one by one, from qubits to gates to circuits. Each step logically follows the last, ensuring you build a solid and comprehensive skill set without feeling overwhelmed. We will connect every new quantum idea back to a Python concept you already understand. By the end of this guide, you won't just understand quantum computing. You'll be equipped to start writing quantum code, running it on real quantum hardware, and contributing to this revolutionary field. Let's begin. Your journey begins by first reinforcing your Python foundation, then expanding into the infrastructure that powers modern applications. Strong Python proficiency is non-negotiable, but you must move beyond simple scripts. Focus on advanced Python concepts like object-oriented programming, decorators, and asynchronous programming. This deeper understanding is essential for building robust and scalable systems. Alongside Python, you must master data pipelines. Data is the fuel for AI and many future quantum applications. Learn how to build reliable systems that ingest, clean, transform, and store large volumes of data efficiently and correctly. Next, you must become proficient with cloud computing platforms. Modern technology runs on the cloud, including large-scale AI and early quantum systems. To start, focus on one major provider to build deep expertise. With a solid foundation in Python data and cloud infrastructure, you are now ready to dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Specifically, you should focus on deep learning. This powerful subfield powers many of today's most impressive AI achievements. Image recognition, natural language processing. Start by learning the theoretical underpinnings. Understand core concepts like neural networks, activation functions, backpropagation, and gradient descent. A strong theoretical base will help you understand why certain models work, not just how to use them from a library. TensorFlow PyTorch. You should become proficient in at least one, and ideally have familiarity with both. Start by building simple models, like a classifier for the MNIST handwritten digit dataset. Then move on to more complex architectures, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and transformers. You have now built an impressive and modern skill set in software and AI. Your journey through classical computing has equipped you with logic, structure, and the ability to solve complex problems. These skills are not just valuable, they are the essential foundation for your next great leap. It is time to take the next step into the quantum realm. This isn't a departure from what you know, but an evolution. We are moving from a world of definite states to a world of probabilities and possibilities, a world that operates on principles that are counterintuitive yet immensely powerful. Do not be intimidated. The term quantum can often conjure images of incomprehensible physics, but that is a misconception we will dismantle together. The path into quantum computing is more accessible than you might think, especially for someone with your background in logical thinking and software development. You will approach this just as you have approached every other topic, with a calm, structured learning plan. We will break down this frontier into manageable, logical pieces, building your understanding layer by layer, just like the architecture of a quantum processor itself. Start with the fundamental concepts of quantum mechanics that are relevant to computing. You do not need a PhD in physics. Your goal is to become a quantum programmer, not a quantum physicist. You need to understand the core idea of superposition, where a quantum system can exist in multiple states at once. Entanglement, the spooky connection that links the fates of qubits no matter the distance between them. And interference, which allows us to amplify the probability of getting the right answer while canceling out the wrong ones. These three principles are what give quantum computers their extraordinary power. They are the pillars upon which quantum algorithms are built, allowing them to explore vast problem spaces in ways that are simply impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers of today. Focus on their implications for computation, not their deep physical origins. Think of it like driving a car. You need to know how the steering wheel, accelerator, and brakes work together to control the vehicle. But you don't need to understand the thermodynamics of internal combustion to get where you're going. The next step is to learn the language of quantum computing. This language is expressed through mathematics and specialized programming frameworks, but its most basic unit of information is what we must grasp first. This begins with the qubit, or quantum bit. A classical bit is a 0 or a 1. It's a simple, definite switch, either on or off. This binary logic is the bedrock of all digital technology you've ever used, from your smartphone to the most advanced data centers. A qubit, thanks to superposition, can be a 0, a 1, or a combination of both at the same time. Imagine a spinning coin. Before it lands, it's neither heads nor tails. It's in a state that encompasses both possibilities. A qubit is like that coin, holding a spectrum of possibilities until the moment we measure it, at which point it collapses into a definite 0 or 1. You need to understand how qubits are represented mathematically. This is crucial because it's how we describe and manipulate their states before measurement. We do this often using vectors and the principles of linear algebra. A qubit state can be described by a vector in a two-dimensional complex vector space. The numbers in this vector, called amplitudes, tell us the probability of the qubit collapsing to 0 or 1 upon measurement. This is where your math skills become very important. The abstract concepts of vector spaces, matrices, and complex numbers, which you may have studied before, now find a concrete and powerful application. They are the tools you will use to build quantum algorithms. You will also learn about quantum gates. Just as classical computers use logic gates like AND, OR, and NOT to manipulate bits, quantum computers use quantum gates to manipulate qubits. These gates are essentially matrix operations that rotate the qubit's state vector, changing its superposition and preparing it for computation. Mastering these gates is the first step toward writing your own quantum programs. We have now arrived at the final and perhaps most crucial stage of our journey: constructing your personal career architecture. Think of this not as a simple map, but as a detailed blueprint for your professional future. Where a map shows you a destination, a blueprint gives you the structural integrity and detailed specifications to build something lasting and significant. We have charted a comprehensive path that begins on the familiar ground of Python programming and extends all the way to the cutting-edge frontier of quantum computing. This strategic progression is designed to be far more than just a random collection of trending topics or online tutorials. It is a meticulously structured career development plan, an intentional framework designed to build your expertise layer by layer, ensuring a solid and coherent skill set. This architecture provides the stability and structure needed to not only enter advanced tech fields, but to thrive and lead within them. Each module you've encountered was a deliberate choice, a foundational block placed with purpose, creating a robust intellectual scaffolding that supports increasingly complex knowledge. The logic is straightforward yet powerful. Each step builds directly and logically upon the last. This sequential mastery is what facilitates the profound transformation from a skilled Python developer into a highly sought-after candidate for the most advanced technology roles. You are not just learning new things, you are integrating them into a powerful, unified whole. Let's recap this deliberate ascent. You started by solidifying your foundation in data engineering, learning to build the robust pipelines that are the circulatory system of any data-driven organization. Then, you elevated those skills into the cloud, mastering cloud computing to ensure your solutions are scalable, resilient, and globally accessible. This combination alone makes you a formidable data professional, but you didn't stop there. You then advanced into the sophisticated world of deep learning, understanding how to create the complex neural networks that power modern artificial intelligence. To make these models truly useful, you mastered MLOps, bridging the gap between development and production, and learning to deploy, monitor, and maintain machine learning systems with professional rigor. Finally, you took the ambitious leap into the next paradigm of computation. You explored the foundational principles of quantum mechanics, demystifying concepts like superposition and entanglement. You translated that theory into practice by studying quantum algorithms and, most importantly, learned how to build hybrid quantum classical systems, the most practical and powerful application of quantum computing today. With this incredible breadth of knowledge, your immediate next step is to consolidate your learning and translate it into tangible evidence. This is where you build your proof. The action plan is simple. Create a portfolio of projects that showcases your journey. In today's competitive job market, a strong, well-documented portfolio is your single most important asset. It's the narrative that speaks for you when you're not in the room. It moves beyond claims on a resume and provides concrete, undeniable proof of your skills to potential employers and collaborators. To be effective, your portfolio must tell a story. Ensure you have at least one significant end-to-end project from each major stage of this journey. This demonstrates not just isolated skills, but your ability to see a complex project through from conception to completion. It shows strategic thinking, problem-solving, and perseverance, qualities that are universally valued. Specifically, this should include, at a minimum, first, a deployed data pipeline, demonstrating your data engineering and cloud skills. Second, a fully operationalized MLOps system, proving you can manage the entire lifecycle of a machine learning model. And third, a functioning hybrid quantum machine learning model, showcasing your entry into the future of high-performance computing. These three pillars will form the bedrock of your professional credibility. Host all your code publicly on a platform like GitHub. But don't just upload code, curate it. Write clear, detailed README files for each project. Explain the problem you were solving, the technologies you used, the architecture of your solution, and how to run your code. This documentation is as important as the code itself. It is your chance to guide a recruiter or hiring manager through your work and demonstrate your excellent communication skills. A well-documented project shows you are not just a coder, but a professional engineer who thinks about collaboration and maintainability. This portfolio is your capstone. It is the ultimate expression of the career architecture you have so diligently built.